JQ Crafty here. So, I wanted to post this video for the start of my organization and kind of give you guys an intro to what I'm doing. And then also open my Creative Cuts Club package. So first of all, this is my one from August. Christina had some family emergency stuff. I respect that. Family always comes first. I'm just excited. We got it. I'm just excited we got it all together. So what's fun too is that we already got a sneak peek of it and we knew kind of what was in it. So I've already been planning my layouts in my head. So I have kind of like mini kits waiting for these, waiting for some of the cuts and the die cuts that are done. But we'll open that. And then I also wanted to talk about my 27-week organization. What? So it's 27 weeks because that's what scrapbook.com has. So back up a little. A long time ago, I had signed up for the scrapbook.com class, which is organizing your scrapping space. And they still have it available on the website. It's free. Go ahead, check it out, scrapbook.com, and go to classes. I had it a long time ago, meant to do it a long time ago, and it's the only reason I plan on doing it is because it's something that's always been in the back of my mind that I want to do it. When it comes to actually organizing things, obviously I'm going to take tips and things also in effect from RTS because I've been watching some of those videos. But basically, my scrap space is organized to a point where I kind of have everything where I want it, but it's just a mess and it doesn't seem like it flows well. So that is why I want to do this. And what I like about scrapbook.com's organization is it breaks things up every week to give you ample time to focus on the one item. For example, week 4 is cardstock, pen, and paper. That is it. You focus on your cardstock and your pattern paper, where it is it in containers that you like, is it easy accessible, that kind of thing. So I'm going to do this. If you'd like to follow along, great. If you'd like to do it with me, awesome. Go to scrapbook.com. This is kind of like the week intro lesson that they have, and then next week will be week 1 where I will show you my scrapping space. I also have printed out for week 1 this space assessment guide. So not only am I gonna make sure the things on here are things I have. There's a category I don't have, like negatives. They don't exist anymore. I don't have negatives. Actually, you know what's funny is I do have negatives. That's hilarious. So, that's good because now I got to figure out a good place to store them if I ever need to access them. But yeah, things like that. See if I have that stuff. Get it all out. And so I know where it is so that when I start assessing my space and figuring out a better layout that works or a better container that works or in general, I know where everything is at this moment. So next week will be a scrap room tour or I have a corner of a room, plus a shelf, which all needs to be organized anyway. I'm trying to organize my life in general. So this will be really good because it'll break it up each week. And then hopefully it's going to look chaotic. Well, it looks horrible in here. I just looked around because my son was down here recently and half of it's his playroom and half of it's kind of my husband's office. This is a room definitely we want to work on. I use it the most. So my area will be organized, but as soon as my area is organized, it'll feel so much better. It'll be a lot easier to organize the rest of it that is not scrapbook related. But anyway, so next week will be a scrap room tour as well as doing this space assessment. So as I get everything out and pull everything out and find everything, what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to do a layout with this handy dandy printout they give you. And as you're doing the layout, see, is this stuff convenient for me? Is it in an easy accessible container? Is it in a good container? Is it in a bad container? Is where I have it good or not? Does that make sense? So my room is semi-organized. It's just not clean at the moment. And it's a little chaotic. It could be better, for sure. Yeah. So we'll assess all of that next week. And I just wanted to kind of give an intro to it until, so if anybody wants to do it with me, they can. And then I'll literally do every week. So 27 weeks of this. And then my plan is that when I'm organizing that category or whatever, I'll focus on a layout using that. Obviously, cardstock, pattern paper, I use that every time, one or the other. And I'm also using kits. So that's something else that I probably, look at this, there's kits. Oh my gosh. So this has everything. It has everything. So yeah, obviously then when I'm focusing on that stuff, I'll probably focus on that. Maybe just doing loose pattern paper since I have to organize it. So I'll do a layout focusing on that thing. And if it's something that I don't have, then I probably won't. I'll just do a layout because I need to do one at least a week. So yeah, that's awesome. It even assesses like your furniture, your window treatments, like so you can make this place a very happy place, a place that you want to be. And so that's exciting. So yeah, next week I will do a little scrap area tour / cleaning / do a space assessment scrapbook paid. Yeah, okay. So there's that. On to the Creative Cuts Club August kit. Now I obviously got the sneak peek in July. I remember what some of it is. I just opened this. I promise I didn't, not that it really matters, but yeah, I don't remember what everything that is in here. So I'm super excited to get this, and I have layouts ready to be done. So that's exciting. Oh, Christina, you're so awesome. This pretty. I used this tissue paper last time, and I might keep this and use it again on a layout. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, she sent a library card. Cute. This washi is really pretty. I love this pineapple. Cute. And little puffy hearts. Is this stapled? No. Oh, it's sticky. Nice. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. And if you are not familiar with the Creative Cuts Club, it is Christina Sword. She runs Redefine Creative. And they usually have the Secret, not Secret Kit Club, but they also have this Creative Cuts Club. So for all of you who need just extra stuff to help get layouts done, which is essentially why I do it, I have a silhouette. I do my own, can do my own cut files, but it's really fun to have someone else do them for you. And especially because a lot of these cut files I don't own. So not only is it already cut for me, it's a cut file that I don't already own. So it's brand new to me in that way. And you'll also see when I start doing my organization, like I have my silhouette, it's actually relatively handy, but I have to move a lot of things to use it because when we designed my desk, my husband and I built my desk, well, my husband mostly did. We made it not super deep because I don't like when stuff gets lost, and I wanted to be able to reach all of it. And the silhouette, you know, is relatively wide, so if it's going to take up space. But anyway, that'll be part of my space assessment too, and maybe I can revamp where that is. But right now it's like I have to kind of dig it out. Which I know a lot of people do. But so it's nice to be able to just get some cut files sent to me. And it's a good jumping off point because I feel like at some points too, I have so many cut files that I don't know where to start. So it's fun to have someone be like, here, work with these. Instead of, here's a million, pick one. If that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. If you guys have cut files, like what helps you figure out what cut file you want to use? That's what I'd like to know. Because I would love some inspiration on figuring out how to figure out like how I go about picking cut files. Because I swear I have like a million. Anyway, get back to this. Oh, I forgot we were getting those. Oh, that makes me so excited. Okay. I totally forgot about that. I will not let my cats get a hold of this. My cat destroyed one of my cut files in July. Destroyed it. And the other day I caught her trying to carry off another one I had laying up here that was partially glued down. Ay, ay, ay. So I'm going to keep them in this bag if I'm not using them. That's my decision right now. All right, so Creative Cuts Club, we get some embellishment things, and usually it's all kind of themed. This one, I don't remember, but it's kind of like summer. Lazy summer, I think she said. Ooh, okay, so, and then she showed us this awesome tutorial on making a popsicle banner, which I am so excited about, and look at the colors I got. Oh, that's awesome. That makes me super excited. I love these colors. I have a great idea because I have I grabbed these cheapy, like I have these stickers. Look at, they match. And then there's other embellishments that have these same colors in them. Awesome. So this is to make a popsicle banner. Obviously, she says you can do whatever you want, but she always sends us this fun, at least some fun little project that we get all the things to make it. Last month was we could make water. She sent us paper towel and spritzer to make our own textured like water background. Very cool. I love this popsicle banner. Probably my favorite thing in the world. My cat's already attacking the tissue paper, so that might be a goner. Ooh, these are exclusive Spiegel Mom sequins. I love them. Look at, there's these cute little beaded hearts, and it's a lot of white and iridescent and some blues, and ooh, there's some like cylindrical yellow beads and a pink. Oh, cute. Love it. And I love the pops of blue and turquoise. And then these tiny little fruit confettis. This is dying to like have a shaker pot get made and put the fruit in there. I'm telling you, I might end up doing that. A cute patch. Oh, nice. I love it though. Are these adhesive backed? Or are they just... No, it's just for the patch. Okay, I was like, what? But that's awesome to keep all the strings together. That's really cool. I like that. And then we get exclusive epoxy flare. I love this. This one says Summer Adventure, and it's a really pretty blue. And this one says Lazy Days and Sunshine Days, and it's like a navy, right? Yeah. If you can see that. That's awesome. And then... And I love all the bags because then I have extra bags for when I need. Oh, and then this is the insides of a couple of the other cut files. Oh, and then we got Vicky Bouton's Puffies. Awesome. I love it. Explore, big smiles, simple things, happy heart. Love, love, love. All right, to the cut files. Cat. And I know I already have plans for a few of these, and I'll tell you which ones I have plans for. So this one, I already know I have plans for. Let me get, speaking of cardstock. Oh, here, I'll just use this pattern paper because it's kind of like a watercolor background to show you them. Set these over here. Let me rearrange a little. Christina does such an amazing job. I feel like she's my best friend, and I've never met her. This one, I already have plans for. Ooh, it actually looks really nice on there. But unfortunately, I'm putting it on in a different kit. So, but this is very pretty. Sorry, I digress and I get distracted. And would that look good on there? We'll see. Maybe. So I already have plans for this one. Explore, awesome, very simple, love it. Love a good title die cut. Who doesn't? These are fun. My son and I enjoy ice cream very often, might I tell you. So I'm sure I have plenty of neat ideas or things I could do with these ice cream cones. So they are exciting. I don't know a specific layout at the moment, but I'm sure I'll come up with something. I'm sure. Oh, I forgot about this one. This one's gorgeous. Look at that sun. So pretty. That would look neat on this page. Yeah. I wish if my phone wasn't kind of like in a good spot to record this, I would show you. My cat has now made a bed on that tissue paper that I just set down. She stole it and she's now made a bed. We have two cats. One doesn't want to ever leave my side whenever I'm home, and the other one could care less. She loves my husband, so So this cut file is awesome. I can't remember who all the cut files are by. Ugh. If I do video layouts, process videos for them, I'll make sure to look that up and tell you. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, so this is what we got the inside letters for. This is also this paper. This is Field of Flowers, Wildflower Cartabella from 2013. It is an old paper. It's a nice thick. This is really pretty too. Oh yeah, I saw the R. The inside of the R is in that little. But this is awesome. You can tell the little bit of sticky is on from her mat. I love it. Very pretty. I might keep this with this. I think we might be using this one. That one's really pretty. And now this was great because this next one, my mother-in-law just got a camper. And she took my son camping. And so it'll be really fun to document some pictures of them in her camper, or even just her with her camper. So, because my son loves to go in the camper. This is super cute. Super cute. I think this one's Virginia's. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I feel like this one's Virginia's. And here comes some. So here, I went from smallest to biggest, because that's how they're nicely laid in my thing. Christina designed this one herself, which is really awesome. She said she couldn't find one the way she liked it, so she designed this one herself. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Nice, good circles background. I might even use, I was thinking about using this one as, because I've done a couple layouts with similar cut files, but not one like that's nice as this one, how big it. But I might use these, how people have like the coffee ring mixed media look. That's kind of what this reminds me of. So I might cut it apart. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know for sure. And then, oh, the cloud got a little dinged up. Okay. That's okay. We'll fix him. I have plans for this one, and actually it's a layout like I want to do right now. So I'm so glad this came when it did. Love the clouds. Love, love the clouds. Love it. Awesome. So that is my Creative Cuts kit. That is a lot of awesome things. And so then also on the Facebook group, Christina gives us lots of ideas, which is awesome. And it's so fun seeing her. She has some guest designers each month. And it's fun to see what they come up with. So yeah, I'm super excited about this one. This one's much more versatile than the July's was more of like a beach theme, and we don't have a lot of beaches by me. We go to the lake, so it worked out, and there's a lot of pool time. So I was able to do more alternative ways of doing this, but we do a lot of outdoor stuff. We do a lot of, obviously we love summer, sunshine. Clouds can be any time of year, so I'm excited for this one especially. And I think September's is going to be fantastic too, so I'll be getting that one soon too. So I better get my butt moving and making layouts with this one so I can enjoy the September one when it gets here. But yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for videos. I'll probably do a bunch of them using this stuff because I usually try to incorporate my Creative Cuts just to help boost my other things that I have and the other kits I have, just to try and get them used up. So yeah, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more. Bye.